everyone, my name is Anagha. I'm part of the Data Science Discovery team, and in this video today we are going to be doing a question on polling and sampling. So let's go ahead and get started. So here it says U of I is conducting a study to gather insights on these facilities, right? And we survey a small group of 200 students randomly chosen from all enrolled students at U of I, right? So it seems here that 200 students is basically that sample that we are looking at, right? And if we want to go ahead and draw this out, this is what it would look like, right? If we have all of this this box representing our population, right, our sample is basically going to be the 200 students that we kind of randomly selected. So let this be our sample of 200 students. And that population is basically all of the students here, right? Because it's a study to gather insights on campus facilities from all enrolled students, right? So the group of 200 students, our sample, is chosen from all enrolled students. So our population would be the all enrolled students, and then out of those all enrolled students, the 200 we selected is going to be our sample. And now it says here the average level of satisfaction, it says, to estimate the average level of satisfaction with campus facilities, right? So our goal here, estimating this satisfaction level. So the average level of satisfaction with these facilities among 200 students surveyed is 3.7 on a 5-point scale. And then, however, the true average level based on all enrolled students is estimated to be 3.5. So the sample basically level is 3.7, but the population level is 3.5. So let's go ahead and represent that here. So out of the 200 sample, we have the 3.7 level of satisfaction. And for the population, we know that it's like a fact that it's 3.5 level. And so the 3.5 level it's what's basically called a population parameter, right? That is a fact about the population that we know. That is a fact that represents our entire population, which is all of these enrolled students. Here, the 3.7 level, that is what is called a sample statistic, right? It is actually a number that represents the level from our sample, right? So the statistic is corresponding with a sample, and I guess they start with the same letter, so that helps. And then the parameter correspond with the populations. So here it says, what is the population in this sample, example, right? It's the all enrolled students at UIUC, because our sample was chosen from the entire population, which is a population of all enrolled students at UIUC. What is a sample? Basically the group of 200 students that we randomly chose. What is the inference? Well, inference are basically facts that are kind of conclusions or facts that we can make from our sample to generalize it to a population. So if I say that, based on this sample, I make an inference about the population, that's basically what I'm doing. It's like a guess, an educated guess, you could say, based on facts from the sample that is supposed to make inferences about the entire population. So here, it's basically the satisfaction level and views on campus facility basically from the sample, right? Inferences come from the sample. That's why we're making inferences in the first place. If we had facts about the population, we wouldn't be doing any of this, right? We wouldn't be doing any sort of sampling or inferencing in the first place. We wouldn't even need that, right? Because there's no facts about the population, or true facts, or we want more facts about the population. That's why we're doing the inferencing and the sampling. So inferences always come from the sample. And then what is a parameter? So we already discussed here, the 3.5 level was the population parameter. That's a fact about the population that we know. And what is a statistic? Well, the sample statistic was the 3.7 level from the 200 student sample. So that is going to be the fact, basically a numerical value or numerical fact that we can derive from the sample that we chose. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.